Bros and hams and bro hams, and of course ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bed Wars. Today I'm gonna be doing some fast Bed Wars. Okay, we waste no time on this channel. We are just going. We're going. So I already placed my bed defense. Alright, we're just gonna go for yellow. Yellow said, is everyone having a great day, or like, how's everyone's day? And I said great. And you know, it's pretty awesome. He said he just finished his first video. Oh my gosh, is he a YouTuber? This is pretty crazy, killing a YouTuber. YouTubers in my Bed Wars lobby. I'm gonna have to put him in my video now. That was a lot of stuff he had. Now it's gone because he died. I can't place blocks here, but if I get him, that'd be insane. Right, maybe if I just like do something crazy. No, it was close. It was very close. Oh wait, I killed him somehow. Blue died, which means there's gonna be a final on my bucket list, and it will be filled. No, you gotta die, sir. You gotta die. You gotta die. He's dead. Huh. That's interesting. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Alright, this is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not supposed to be happening. I have no gavels. This is not good. That's on you, bro. That got me? Alright, so Gray fell in the void and he had all my stuff, which is pretty unfortunate. Which, this guy right here is gonna get his bed broken. Thank you. Oh, you had a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna throw that away. And I know you're pretty mad right now, but that's fine anyway. And please die, unless you don't want to. I'll hit you off my fist unless you already die. It's IQ 18. I've played him 3 times so far. What are the chances we get into the same game so many times? This is one person. Why can't I get into a Bed Wars game with like purple this amount of times? Like, no, it just doesn't work that way. IQ 18 4. No, this is my 3rd time being in a Bed Wars game with him. Alright, we're just gonna, that's okay. Bruh, he's already rushing me. He fell. Wow, what a great player. That knocked me back. That's not good. And okay, he got me. That was pretty good on his part. Oh, IQ 18 disconnected. I just put too much fear in him, you know? And he probably fell off. But I think it's mostly I put too much fear on him. He was scared. He was like the DoctorEpicness. It's just not happening, dude. I don't even know whose base is over here and if they even have a bed. It's Aqua. Does Aqua have a bed? They do have a bed. That's interesting. I'm going to get sharpness. Aqua fell in the void, so the only teams left are gray and red, and they are next to each other, so they're probably dueling it out. And I can just go get stacked, clean them up. I might not even get stacked first. I might just go and do a little janitoring, you know, pretty good. Alright, gray is here, and they kind of may scare me a little bit, unless I flawless them. Then they don't scare me. I think red is the biggest threat, so I'm going to void and try to go for red instead of gray. Because gray seems pretty bad, red seems halfway decent. See, they're going for me. It's a good thing I did this. And that's a bed right there. This guy's gonna gapple up. PvP fight, PvP. Oh my gosh, dude. RIP that man. And there you go, there's no more bed. And second again, please get him. Thank you. That's a lit game. So I've heard of this strategy right here is the gator strategy, where you just after 16 blocks you kind of build a bed defense and bridge a little bit so that you don't really have to do it later. I don't think we should consider it the gator strategy. I've been doing it for a long time, way before gator got popular or before I even knew about him. So hopefully 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's not gonna work. I'm out. Please get him. He has 2 gapples? What is this nonsense? Next he's gonna have shears, dude. Woohoo, we got him. Alright, pink's going for me. Not really the vibe, if I'm being honest. So I'm gonna have to go for him. And cancel out the vibe. It's like PEMDOS, you know? You learned that stuff. If anyone is scaring me right now, it would have to be Pink. Pink is just not a fun person. And now he's dead. That was a big, big hype up for me. And then I just one fireball just perfectly placed. I mean, it was pretty perfect. The guy was in my game before. He's not very good, but he's pretty adequately good. I'm going to let him get the bed. He's gonna let me get the bed at least or something. I'm going to run away. Hopefully I can clean up or something. Nope, it did not work. He got the final. But that's okay because I'll get him and everything will be great. And jump over you. You get blocked off. And dead. GG's. Look at this guy, he's slow now. Look at him, he's in the void. Said GG. Alright, he's gonna have to run around, and then I can just hit him off. Unless I can't. Unless I ran out of blocks and expected there to be a block placed there. And that guy is now dead, hopefully. Thank you. He is chasing me, but I have a TNT that I placed down, which is great. I should be set, although this is a 1v2, which is unfortunate. I should be fine, though, with the amount of stuff I have. Okay, or not. Oh, wait, he didn't get my bed. He's great. I love him. He's out of the game now. White's another story, though. Dang, bro. That's unfortunate. He got my bed. There's a guy above me, too. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. Just 3v1 me. That's okay. Bruh. Alright, I'm gonna hit this guy off so then I can get his bed. Look at that. Alright, well, I'm over yellow base. No, this is aqua base, but yellow's here. He's at half health, but I'm laggy, so who can win? I can win, somehow. I just don't ask questions. Alright, well now I don't just have a knockback stick, I have a fireball too, which I don't think he'll like very much. Alright, unless it gets placed right there, which does only half heart damage to him. Just kind of a rip. Are you gonna lag out? I don't know. This guy's thing says gold at 3, so I mean, I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna act like it doesn't matter, because it probably doesn't. And Mr. Shears over here would like my blocks. Alright, come on, why am I laggy, dude? This guy would be dead right now if I wasn't lagging. That's interesting. That failed, you are bad. Right, is this guy gonna let me kill him, or is his iron armor gonna save him? It did not save him. That's great. Alright, all I have to do is break this guy's obsidian. And there we go. Alright, this guy should die. He's super low. Yes, he is dead. Let's go. He had nothing on him. Why? Alright, I got the tracker because I am very impatient. And look at this guy over here. Is that gonna get him? Please get him. Is that a game? Is that a GG? That's a GG. Let's go. Aqua decided to side rush on Skyrise, so his bed's broken. And that's kind of a dub for me. Kind of an L for Aqua though, so. Alright, well where did Aqua go? He just like vanished out of thin air. Oh, he's right there. Was that supposed to be a block trap? Because it didn't really work. Stop running. No, please stop this madness. This guy is really annoying. Like, if you haven't noticed, this guy is like extra annoying. Especially when I lag. I literally don't know what to do against this guy because he's like so annoying. Because he honestly just infuriates me. But he said no, thankfully. I'm so laggy, it's just like, I hate it. Green is over here. And I think their bed's like right there. Yes, it is. And hopefully I can now get them. Where are you going, sir? You're dead now. I'm guessing blue has a bow since green had a lot of bow shots in him. And that guy's dead right there. Oh my gosh, come on. Alright, and then you type in that message just to make them infuriated and like intimidated. And you also gotta plug the channel. It's just a win-win for everyone. This guy is trying to do sub for sub, but that's just against YouTube policies, so I can't do that. That's gonna be a no from me. But if this guy wins, sure, I'll give him a subscribe. I'll even feature him on this channel. Come on, you got everything on the line here. Oh no, he fell. Right as I said that, he went for a little swim in the void, you know, just doing his diving lessons. It's pretty cool, yo. Alright, that's gonna get launched right there. I'm just gonna like, oh, I made it, I'm the best. And I won, let's go. I didn't even get the final kill. He burned to death. Oh boy, don't we just all love these 32 rush maps. They're just so great. Like, all you do is you go right off spawn and you just start going. And that guy's bed's gone. Oh wait, he came back? There's no way, no. Oh yes. We're the best. I could tell either I was going to block clutch or he was going to hit me twice and I was going to land on his base, and he ended up hitting me twice and I just landed on his base. I was not expecting him to come back though. I thought he was just going to follow through with his plan and go for my bed, but he hesitated. He came back, I got his bed, and then he just went for a little swim, dude. Everyone is taking their diving lessons today. They're just going for a little swim, you know, right down there. That's where they're going. Oh, there's a guy right here. That's interesting. You have diamonds. So do I. We'd love to see it. Alright, you, sir, are not very cool, and I'm lagging, so it would be appreciated if you just didn't do that right there. And I think I got this, because I have much more health, and he's bad. His name is I Play Bedwars. Well, he doesn't play it well, so... Let's see, if I type in easy, does it say your personality? If it said your personality is brighter than the sun, that would just be great. I'm not really trying to be toxic. I'm just saying it would have been funny. It would have been a little funny. Oh no, I say no. I forgot he sees my stars when I say that. People see my stars and they just start like pooping their pants, you know. And it's just terrible for them, you know. All their nightmares come to life. Alright, that guy's bed is gone. I don't even think he realizes I'm here. Let's see what he does. Sir, you can just stay up there. You can have a nice day up there. You have a lot of stars and I'm scared. Well, you know, it happens to the best of us, you know, or the worst of us in your case. But you know, understand, it just happens. Did I get him with that? Please tell me I got him with that. No, it fell. But it's okay. He tried his best, and that's all that matters. Hopefully, I can just, like, yoink, 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 yoink. He's in the void now. GG's. Subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like. If you guys also enjoyed the video enough to where you got to the end, like this part, then you should hit the subscribe button, because that means I've been entertaining you for quite a long time. So thank you all for watching, and